Opening the Grid Connect app lands you on the home screen.
This is the dashboard offering you quick access to various sections of the app. Scenes and automation are how you activate a number of different products at the same time. It doesn't matter that the products are not alike, they just need to be on Grid Connect. Creating a scene lets you trigger multiple devices with one tap of the app, or one verbal command. Hey Google, kitchen on.
Okay, turning 5 things on.
In a scene, there can be as many actions as you'd like, and the products can be doing different things. For example, you could have the TV and the lights in the living room go on, while the lights in the dining room go off. Hey Google, kitchen off.
Sure, turning off 5 things.
To create a scene, either tap the Add icon in the scene bar or tap the List icon, top left, and then select Scenes and Automation. Then select Add Scenario. Enter the scene name, Kitchen On, and confirm. This is also the verbal command you will use. Then select the green Add icon and execute the following actions. In order to quickly find your products, you can scroll through the different rooms. What happens next will depend on the device functionality. Select Kitchen Switch Exhaust, on. Select Kettle, Power on, and select Downlight Switch, on. Grid Connect automatically puts a shortcut on the dashboard. You can turn it off here if you prefer. Trigger the scene by selecting it, confirm, and life just got easier. If you need to edit that scene, from the dashboard, select the menu icon, top left, Scenes and Automation, touch on the scene picture, then touch on the smart device you want to edit. Make the changes, and save. To add another scene, touch the Add icon, bottom right of the Scenes tab. Or click on the Add icon under the Scene section in the dashboard, select Scene, and you're away. You can create scenes for any mood or event so you can enjoy your home smart home.